Let's talk about Apple courage. There's a report or a rumor here that Apple is planning to remove the Lightning port from their new iPhone model, which will be released in 2021. And this is the most courageous move from Apple. When Apple removed the audio jack, well, there was a reliable substitute in the market, which is the Bluetooth headset. Of course, they need recharging, but they were super reliable. But now, removing the Lightning port or a data connection for your phone, this is a very disaster move. First, it is stated that Apple will do this for their high-end model, so the Lightning port in the Pro family will definitely be removed. And of course, Apple in this case will call it courage, but it is not. This is just like to increase their profit margin. But let us not talk about the profit margin and Apple decision here. And let's talk about the consequence. So Apple now will rely on the wireless charging technology in order to charge your phone. So Apple is deciding how you charge your phone now. And by wireless charging your phone, you ain't able to move your phone freely. So say goodbye for playing Call of Duty or Fortnite while charging your phone. So imagine you have a very urgent and long phone call. AirPods is run out of battery. You cannot use them. Your phone needs a charging as well. You could plug your audio jack headphone, but your iPhone does not support them because it does not have an audio jack port. So what you'll be doing is that you will hold the phone to your head and the wireless charging pad to your head as well. Imagine how this is so frustrating. I don't know if it is healthy as well because there's electric charges just jumping from the charger to the iPhone and you are putting this so close to your head. And imagine the heat that is generated from this charge also transporting to your head. So a lot of things can go wrong in this case. But this is a low percentage scenario that could happen. But yes, once it happened, it is very bad and it is very disastrous. Okay, maybe Apple can mitigate this with a bigger battery, a longer life battery to your iPhone. And think about this in the airports. You can see USB ports everywhere, but your iPhone or new iPhone cannot charge through this USB port. You have to bring your own wireless charger in order to charge your iPhone. Before, a Lightning port cable was enough, but now it is not enough. And the funny scenarios can be unlimited in this case. So this is the consequence. People will never be able to use their phones when they are charging. Okay, what about solutions? When Apple removed the audio jack, they introduced the Apple AirPods. I know they are trying to capitalize on the money that we have, but also they provide us with an excellent product. But now, when they remove the Lightning port and there's no way we charge our phone regularly unless we have a wireless charger, Apple does not provide or sell their own wireless charger. Like the AirPower, they cancelled it. And iPhone users have to rely on third-party manufacturers. Even Samsung provide their own wireless charging. So Apple in this case is not very proactive. They ain't willing to make their own wireless power charger. And this will be a very big problem once people starting to use or want to buy the new 2021 iPhone. Unless Apple is packing a wireless charger inside the box with every iPhone they are selling, which is probably not because they are considering about profit margin. So maybe Chinese company will jump and save the day by providing a wireless charging cases that have a Lightning port. So now in order to charge your phone through a cable, you need to buy a specific charging case. By now I think Apple is deciding a lot from consumers and they are taking more freedom than choices. But yet again, this is just a report. I'm not sure, but hopefully it won't happen. Because if it did happen, stupid Android manufacturers will jump immediately into this wagon. They will immediately start removing USB Type-C ports. And this is my biggest fear because I don't care about the iPhone. I'm not an iPhone user, but it damages me so much as a phone user or an Android phone user that Apple is doing something and all other Android manufacturers just blindly copies Apple, like the removal of the audio jack. Okay guys, tell me what do you think?